talking about this pandemic or scamdemic is what I'm hearing. Working here locally with the police chiefs and myself have all been in communication, and they're standing by me on the enforcement issues. So entities, namely public health, but there's like so many people thinking that they have the rule on that, and they don't. And I have to keep reminding them because they want to send somebody out to enforce something. And I made it very clear. Anybody attempts that, they're going to have to deal with me directly. So, well, what I would like to be able to do is find a way that I could sue the state here myself and put the onus back into the county's hands. It's all governed by the mayor or city council and such. So they have somebody else to answer to that they can be fired at a whim. And so they're kind of having to do the tap dance, but because of my stance on enforcement and then my authority within this county, they're just deferring everything to the sheriff so that way they can do the dance around without losing their jobs. But what I did is I embedded, I've got a special enforcement group from my office set. It's a sheriff's enforcement team with a lieutenant, a sergeant, some deputies, and they are embedded at public health. So that way they know they can't get away with a lot of the stuff. So all the stuff comes through them. I'm getting 2 or 3 emails every day from one of my lieutenants giving me updates on what's going on in that aspect of it. But the frustrating part here is because we are embedded, I know the truth about some of these things that are coming out. We've been going through the list of people that have been documented to have COVID, and we're finding the same names on that list over and over again. So they're counting their people several times so that the numbers are that skewed. Bottom line was because I have my team embedded, and they were going, okay, now what? So having my team embedded in there has prevented a lot of this from going on. But if I do get something here within this county, even including into the incorporated cities, if I can get these business owners to start writing complaints with regard to these folks coming out there trespassing and harassing, I'd like to be able to tangle that one up. I'm not pulling my people out, and the CEO doesn't want me out. He wants this down because he needs the support here. And